Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Before we get started, click that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Give me a big thumbs up. So today, I was going through my room and I found all these poppets and fidgets. And I have these empty drawers by my doors, so I might as well just use those 3 drawers and let's see what I can do with them. So first, I'm going to stack up all my poppets. And to go through them that will be in the next video. I'll be going through them and seeing what poppets have good and what have bad. So yeah. First, I have to finish putting all the pops to one side because I feel like that's just how we go. And yeah, just not too bad on that one. This one is just straight on. So is this one, and this one, and this one. I like this one. This is my favorite puppet. Oh no! The stack fell over. Oh no. Oh no, no. Stack them back over. And then I have this simple dimple. I don't know if I want to put it there yet. No, I'm going to wait till last. And then I have this part. This little square puppet. I have another little square puppet. Stole it from someone. Yep. This one too, I stole it from someone. This one is my favorite puppet. My sister gave it to me. This one's supposed to be an America puppet, but I don't know about it. Stole this from my brother. Oh yeah, I do it all the time. He always likes to tease me with having more puppets than me. So I stole all of his puppets and added them to my collection because he liked to tease me. Then I have this little whale puppet. So cute. Put that on the top. And then that's all my poppets. But I feel like I can put the spinners in there too. No! No. Okay. So I'm going to put them in the top drawer. Put you guys down for a second. Okay, that's drawer number 1. Taken. Usually fidgets are going to be underneath that. And I feel like this fidget's just the perfect fidget to go in there. Nope. Obviously, this little twisty pet. Noodly fidget. I feel like these could go in there because they're kind of noodles. Yeah. Let's see. I feel like this should go in there. I feel like this would be a noodly fidget, but yeah, I'm putting it in there. This is more like a circle. I feel like these could be a noodle fidget. Hey, bitch. This one too. Hey, bitch. That one you can hear way better than the other one. The other one I feel like it's just too long. Yeah. I feel like the rest of these could go like in the circle fidget kind of thing. Or the random fidgets. Random fidget drawer.
Hey, do you want to leave a little bit early
No.
to get some treats?
Fine.
Okay, love you.
Got this one. Squeak, squeak. This little rock kind of fidget thing. And then we've got this little, like, soft fidget. And then my slinky. Let's see it go down the stairs. Woohoo! Let's see it. I'll see you guys in just a minute. Okay, let's put this down this slinky slide. Slinky slide is going down. Tree. 2. Okay, guys, you can see it too. Just let me set you up to be able to see it down the stairs. Okay, you guys ready?